Now see students, this table you have already seen, which is given in your textbook. You can see here all the periods place value is given, like in Indian it is given lakh, or in international it is given 100,000. In India it is given 10 lakh, and in international it is given million. Crore according to Indian place value, 10 million according to international place value, 10 crore Indian, 100 million according to international. Now here you can see 100 crore or billion. Now billion period is also coming here. So what we call 100 crore, or how many digits are there, how many zero are there. So we will see here like these things. Now see, this is Indian place value chart, the number of zero and digits, and this is international place value chart showing the number of zero increasing in the numbers. So in Indian place value chart and in international we will see million and billion both. How many crores becomes million, or how many crores become billion, and so on. So what the similarities in both the place value charts we can see here. Now you can see the place value of the given digits, it is ones, both the side ones are same, then tens are same, this we will say ones, tens. Now both these are hundreds, right? Then 1000, 1000, both the sides is 1000. Then thousand, after 1000, 10,000, 10,000. Then 1000. Okay, so till 10,000 we have seen all the place value of the given digits, and how we are putting the comma in Indian place value, first 3 digit, then 2 digit, and in international first 3, then only 2 is left, so we will put comma here. Then the next number is 1 lakh. You can see here it is given 1 lakh, and here also it is given 1 lakh, but see the placement of the comma here. In Indian number system 1, 2, 3 digit, then the next place value having 2 digits, then comma, and in international 1, 2, 3 digit, then 1, 2, 3, this also, this bowl will come in same period, but it is the period gets changed, as you can see the comma. So how we will read it? Now reading become different in the here in both the place value charts. Like in Indian we will read ones, tens, 100, then 1000, 10,000. After 10,000 there is lakh period, so lakh, so we will read it as lakh, 1 lakh. Okay, it is 1 lakh, but in international it is given ones, tens, 100. After 100,000, 10,000. After 10,000 there is no lakh, there is 100,000. 1000, 10,000, 100,000. So here we will read this not as lakh, we will read it as 100,000. TH means 1000. So students, here we can say 1 lakh means 100,000. Understood? And in 1 lakh how many zero are there? 5 zeros. It means in 100,000 there are 5 zeros. Now let us see the next number is, after 1 lakh in Indian place value chart, the next number is ones, tens, 100, then 1000, 10,000. After 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay, so we will read this number as 10 lakh. 10 lakh. The same number is in international number system. How many zero in 10 lakh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. in international number system, this chain number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0 are there. So how we will read this 10 lakh according to international place value system? Let us see. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. After 100,000, the next period is of million. So it is 1 million. So we will write it as 1 million. So what you have understood from this? That 10 lakh is equal to 1 million according to international place value system. So students, 10 lakh is equal to 1 million. And how many zero in 10 lakh? There are 6 zeros. Either we can say in 10 lakh there is 6 zero, or according to international we can say 6 zero are there in 1 million. Hope students you all are getting this comparison of the place value charts. Now the next number is, see how many zero are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. According to international system, this is the next number. 7 zero are there. And in international system, let us see other side also, it is 7 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what we will read this large number according to Indian place value chart or according to international place value chart? Let us see. Indian place value chart. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. After 10 lakh there is crore. So it is 1 crore. This is 1 crore. 1 crore had 7 zeros. Now other side it is international. According to international system we will read, we will put comma after 3 digits. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. After 1000 there is million period. So million, and after million 10 million. So it is, we can say it is 10 million. So what you have understood from these numbers? This 8 digit number in which 7 zeros are there. It means 1 crore is equal to 10 million. 1 crore is equal to 10 million. And how many zeros are there? 7 zeros. In 1 crore, or we can say in 10 million there are 7 zeros.